Hello everyone, welcome to my Computer 2 course. I'm Huiyuan, and I'm trying to make you understand the course material before the week starts. So in week 1, we will only talk about binary and decimals and how to convert them. In a normal day, we will use decimals because decimal is obvious. For example, we have 10 fingers and we are really familiar with them. But in computer, we will use decimals because that's how computer works. Computer are just transistors, and transistor is just like switch. Switch only have two states, open and close. So do the computer. So in the computer, when we say a switch is on, we will say it's in state of 1. And the switch is off, we will say it's in state of 0. So we will use binaries to represent this state. So let's start with what is decimal and what is binaries. In decimals, we say 345. That actually means we have 300, 410, and 50. So we can represent it as 3 times 10 to the power of 2, 4 times 10 to the power of 1, and 5 times 10 to the power of 0. And we sum up, it goes to 345. And in the binary, we say 101. That means 1 of 2 to the power of 2, that is 2, and 0 to the power of 1, which still 0, and 1 to the 1 of 2 to the power of 0, that is 1. So it sums up to 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is 5. And we will talk about how to convert decimal to binary. We convert it using a technique called short division. And here is a code. We can use this code to see what is a short division. By running this code, you just click here, and we will see like, let's enter a random number. So that is how short division works. You write the original number here, and every time you divide it by 2. When you divide it by 2, you will get a remainder and the result. You will write the result here and divide it again. So every time you divide the result, you will get a remainder and another result. By doing this again and again until you get a 1 or 0. So finally you get a remainder here. And you look from bottom to top and write it as 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Maybe this is not very obvious because it's just 1 in the top and bottom. So let's try another number. So you can see here, that's how we write it from bottom to top. So this 10110. So that's how we do the decimal to binary conversion. And the binary to decimal is much easier because we just talk about it over here. We will just use this representation to do this. So here is the formula you can use. To remember it easily, you can remember it as the digit, the serials of digits, that is 1, 2, and 3. And you will use it as the serial of digit times 2 to the power of serial minus 1. So this is serial 1. So here is 2 to the power of 0. Serial 2. So here is 2 to the power of 1. And serial 3, 2 to the power of 2. So that's how we convert binary to decimal and how we convert decimal to binary. So that's all of the week 1. It's a really easy week, and Hope you have a good time.